Hi, Ronwin here with Guaranty RV, and we're here to take a look at the Valor 40V15. Alright guys, this is a perfect dog show unit. It's got a 15-foot garage with plenty of space for all of your large dogs and small dogs. It's got space and beds for your assistant as well as their own bathroom. So much storage in this unit. It's just amazing. It's really well thought out. And there's a pass-through bathroom into the master bedroom. Thanks for taking a look with me, and if you have any questions about this amazing unit or any other of our inventory on our lot, give me a call at 541-954-2989.